This video will demonstrate how to create a VR file for your paddocks using the VR Zone Editor in the PA Hub tool. ProductionWise allows you to generate a variable rate zone map for your paddocks based on layer data you have available in the PA Hub. Please check out our video How to Use PA Hub to familiarise yourself with this feature. To generate VR zone maps, you'll need to have ordered NDVI imagery for your paddock. This will also allow you to access the elevation and NDVI change layers for your paddock. You can create zones using either of the three layers. Select the image that you want to zone so it is visible in the data layer list. You can change the image displayed by clicking on the legend. This provides either a default stretch image known as green cover, showing the min and max range of the image values, or the standard green cover notionally showing the status of vegetative cover. Start the VR zoning process by clicking on the icon with 4 squares. The first step when generating a VR zone is to select or create a template that will be used to classify your image. Templates can be saved for use at a later date on other paddocks to save time in setting up new ones. We have provided some sample templates you can use to show how to set up the templates. To create a new template, click Create Template and give the template a name. Edit the buffer distance and the minimum zone area. The buffer distance is the area outside of your mapped paddock that will have product applied using the buffer rates. This is designed to allow arable areas of a paddock excluded from the paddock boundary to be handled during the application. The minimum zone area removes small artifacts or spots from the final zone map. For best results, we recommend 1 hectare or greater for this value. You can add as many zones as you want. Let's start with 4. Add the product you want to apply with the VR technology. Add the amount of fertiliser that you want to apply to each zone, noting the lowest application zone is at the bottom and the highest application zone is at the top. Give each zone a name and you can edit the colours of those zones just by clicking on them and focusing the white cross on the colour of your choice. Once you click Save, the template will appear in the list of templates on the left. Creating a template allows it to be applied to any input data. This saves having to reinvent the template each time a similar VR map is generated. Templates can be edited at any time and new VR files can be generated based on those edits. Ensure the correct template has been selected and click Next to apply the template to your paddock. You will see the zones are applied automatically to the image, with the zone breaks defined next to the legend. You can easily modify the zones by dragging the zone breaks to the desired legend value. This is useful for you to adjust the patterns and colours of the image to the crop itself and the known variability in the field. By modifying the zone handles, you will see the values in each zone change also. This is useful to identify particular zone area coverage and to estimate total quantity of a product required for the application. When you are happy with the zones you have generated, give your VR file a name and save. Once you have saved the VR layer, step 3 allows you to download the file as either a shapefile or a KMZ file. This file is downloaded to your PC, so you will need to transfer this file to your machinery using your preferred method.